Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today we will learn how to use Dropbox, how to use Dropbox in PC and mobile. What is the use of Dropbox? What is the specification? What is the features of Dropbox software? So how this video about what is all about Dropbox. So let's start the video. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, comments below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my computer screen. So guys, here we are, and in Google, uh, you can search Dropbox here. Okay, Dropbox is a like cloud based software. It's like Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive initially give 15 GB free, and then if you want to use more than 15 GB, you have to buy from Google Drive. But Dropbox give you only 2 GB. Okay, but if you buy from Dropbox, so it's compared to Google Docs, it will be cheap for you if you buy for. Okay, so Dropbox is a cloud based storage facility for you. You can connect your computer, your mobile also. Okay, in same feature has Google Drive also, but 15 GB initially they free. That is plus point of Google Drive. But if you want to join Google Dropbox, it also very helpful. Okay, so here you have to create Dropbox account. Okay, I have already created. This is my basic free account. Okay, so I have only 2 GB storage. If you go into setting, here you can see this is my basic 2 GB cloud storage. I can synchronize only two devices. I can synchronize one mobile or two mobile or three mobile. I can synchronize one desktop, one two mobile, whatever. But limit is three device in general in basic, which is free plan. Okay, but in Dropbox Plus you can use up to 2 TB. It's my 2000 GB storage synchronized across ultimate device. You can synchronize any how much any many device. Okay, it is 30 days recovery also. If you don't want to continue, you can call back your purchase. Okay, so that is how. Okay, so here you can see security and all. You can see from everything, but main point I will explain you. Okay, in general, if you want to say security, if you scroll down, you can see a device. So here you can connect device like your laptop, computer, or you can connect device like mobile, iOS, iPhone, whatever. So here I am going to show you how to connect my computer, Windows 7 in Dropbox, and how you can use it. Okay, so here you can have to go in install Dropbox. So first you have to install Dropbox application like software. So I'm going to install. I have to scroll down here. Okay, and here you can see there is a link, download the Dropbox application. So I'm going to download it. It will be download automatically. If it doesn't, you can click here but it is download. Click on application and run it. So it take time to download and install, so it will take time. So give me 5 minutes, so I'll come back. So guys, installation has been complete and download also. So here you can see in right corner, in bottom line right corner, you can see there is a Dropbox application now available. Okay, so now you need to sign it with your account, Dropbox account. Okay, so I have to go again and to sign it here. It will take time. It is taking time because of some, I think. Okay, actually it is actually I had my Dropbox account, so it actually synchronize automatically and is log in automatically. So here you will get the sign in account. Click on account, then you will get on Dropbox. Okay, and you have to click on your email ID, or so it will be sign in automatically. Okay, my account sign in automatically because I had already account, so I deleted because of this video. So you can sign in automatically. You can sign in by clicking username and password. Okay, after login I will show you how to use it. Okay, you can if you have to click on this icon, and now you need to click on this folder. Okay, so here you can see there is a file I have already copy and paste. You need to copy and paste data here, so it is automatically synchronized on your Dropbox account. You can see I have this folder and everything. Okay, if I create here another folder like how to use Dropbox, so it will be created here automatically, synchronized also automatically, and it will be upload on Dropbox automatically. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete from here, and it will be automatically delete from this account also. If you delete it, it will delete everywhere. Okay, it will also delete because I need to refresh it. Okay, it is deleted, right? So if you want to create, okay, there is a many setting in Dropbox. If you go in Dropbox and go click on your folder, go into preference, there is a settings, lots of setting you can do. You just open the desktop bar when starting Dropbox. Okay, show Dropbox save location Microsoft is your account, is this is your account, your email ID, you can log out from here. Add team account, if you want to add any team account, you can add here. If you want to give set up automatically backup your desktop documents, you can set up from here. Okay, this is folder which is automatically backup to your Dropbox. If you want to add any folder, you can add from here. Okay, and you have to complete this setup. I think this is for, okay, complete the setup, try plus for free. Okay, you continue with basic. Okay, but you have only 2 GB space. If you want to if you have the data like about 2 GB, so you can try plus. Okay, for free, but you need to pay after trailer over. Okay, so you can continue with the basic. So your, okay, yes, continue. So this folder also will be synchronized till for now I cancel it because I don't want to. Okay, it will tag for cancel. Okay, that is okay. Okay. hmm. I will go to the features and show you another app settings. Okay, account backup, you see the backup bandwidth, you can see limit bandwidth with the, how much download rate and upload rate you want to limit. Okay, don't limit here, that is okay for, you can do you can keep it as a default. Proxies is like no proxy, you keep it a default. Notification, you keep it default. Here you can synchronize, do the synchronize setting. If you want to select, if you want to don't want to select any folder to synchronize, you can select from here. Okay, here is a folder, you can see all folder here. You can untick any folder if you want, don't want to synchronize, then go update and okay, then the folder will be disappear from here, but it will be show on your account. Okay, okay, so that is that is bullet point from Dropbox, whichever, so I think this is help for you. So I think this is enough for this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, comments below. Thank you for watching.